Hello guys, hopefully everyone is fine. In this video, we will be discussing the concept of array of objects. We all know array is a collection of similar data type. Now, the collection of similar data type means the collection of same type of objects. Object, we all know the data type of object is class name. Earlier, we used to write int small a and 20. It means we are creating 20 integers over here. Now, the concept is different. That is array of integers, right? This is obviously, we all know it is array of integers. Now, we have to create an array of object means, well, let's say if your user defined data type, which is class name is a, and you are writing obj over here and you are putting 20 over here, that means this is array of objects. Now we have to use array of objects. The most of the use of array of object is that if I want to access 20 students access, or I want to access 20 students data members or their details, we always use the concept of array of objects. How? We always say that, let's say we write student class, and let's say if I want to create a student class over here, we will write class small c obviously, and I'm writing student. So we all know the students has, let's say, a roll number, let's say a CGPA, let's say character name, obviously with space. You can have many characters of this, it's up to you. Now we have got the details. In public, I'm accessing the details by using void take functions that take all the detail. We are writing C in role, CGPA, and name. Guys, if I take any space after this, any variable, let's say I'm writing Chirag space Sharma, so it will take Chirag. So you can always use cin dot get line function for this. So I'm just using this cin operator, and void display will display that particular detail. Cout role, CGPA, name, it will display that, and I'm closing the class. So guys, this will actually display all the details. In main, what I'm writing student, and I'm using obj function over here. Obj variable. It's not a function, it's a variable. So I have used only one object, and I want to access, I'm writing obj dot take, and let's say obj dot display. So it will take the details of single student. It will display the details of a single students. What if I want to display details of 20 students? So I don't need to create 20 objects to display the details of 20 students. I can always use the concept of array of objects. Array of objects means that instead of creating a single object, I create 20 objects for this. An array of object means the object is having a data type, similar data type, but the data type is now a user defined one, which is your class name, right? Now, obviously, I'll take another variable int I, and I'm writing for I is equal to 0, I is less than 20, I plus plus. Now, because I want to access all the values, I don't want to write obj 0 dot take, obj 0 dot display. No, I want to display it using array. And array is of similar data types, and the object is the variable that we are accessing. So I is equal to 0, I is less than 20, I plus plus. I'll just use obj I dot take. The first statement after the for loop is a statement inside it. So I will use I is equal to 0, 0 is less than obj0 dot take first, it will get called. Then obj1 dot take, obj till obj0 to obj19 dot take, it will take the details of 20 students. And I want to display them. Again, I use for loop for I is equal to 0, I is less than 20, I plus plus, and I will display that obj I dot display. I will display all the values. That's how array of object works. That's how we access the integers using for loop. If we're using array, that's how it works out. It means it will take the value of obj0 dot take till obj19 dot take, and guys, let me tell you, this is 0s to 19. These are 20 objects. Similarly, it will display obj0 dot display to obj19 dot display, right? And again, from 0 to 19, 20 objects. That's how you actually work out. That's how you actually work. And this is known as array of objects. If you like this video, kindly like, share, and subscribe. If you have any doubt, kindly put it in comment section. Thank you very, very much for your